A very good morning to all. Now today we are going to see the session on seminar on the topic NDLI, National Digital Library of India. Myself D. Satya, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Bharathiyar Arts and Science College for Women. Now we are going to see the topics of the NDLI. What is NDLI? NDL Vision and Mission. The next one, NDL Objectives, NDL Contributors, how NDL works. So first, what is mean by NDLI? National Digital Library of India. To create the digital learning ecosystem so the users can access anywhere in any place through the mobile devices or using the Google search engine through NDLI portals. So the National Digital Library of India is a project under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. The objective is to collect the metadata. So metadata means the data contains the data and provide the full text index from several national and international digital libraries as well as other relevant resources. So NDLI is designed to hold the content of any languages. So there are more than 11 languages are there in NDLI portal. The most widely used Indian languages. It is built to provide support for all academic levels, especially for school students, college students, academicians, professionals and other peoples, for lifelong learners and all popular forms of access of the different categories. So what is the NDL vision? It is build up the National Digital Library of India as a national knowledge asset, the key driving force for education side, research, innovation and knowledge economy in India. NDL mission is to create the 24/7 enabled integrated NDL as a ubiquitous digital knowledge source of the nation, catering to immersive e-learning for all the users in all levels of the areas. So this is the NDL objectives: to cover all academic levels, all discipline Indian languages, more than 11 languages through the Indian NDL portal, to create 24/7 enabled umbrella digital library infrastructure with single window search access family. It harvests the IDRS, that is institutional digital repository, to across the institution of the nation to provide the integrated access for different types of users. It facilitates institutes to disseminate the e-content technology. It provides support for immersive e-learning environments at multiple levels. It creates the movement to integrate digital learning cultures. So this is the framework of the institutional digital repository of contributing institutes. First one is institution of the schools and higher educational boards. So the lecture slides, the users can access the lecture slides, class notes, coursewares, term papers. They also see the assignments and the solutions of the each and every problems, then lab experiments, the manuals, case studies from different areas of the school peoples, question banks for schools and colleges, JEB, GATE, NET, CAT, model answers, questions with answers also available in the institution of the schools and higher education NDL portals. The next one, research and professional institutions. For research people, that is a UG, college, UG, PG degree holders, professors, academicians, researchers and all other peoples in central university or state university, they can also search faculty publications, electronic theses and dissertations, PhD masters, undergrad and research projects, books, periodicals, open access journals, e-books, subscribed e-resources are also available in NDL portal. The annual reports, project reports, convocation reports, working papers and others are all included in research area. Then institutional and open contributionals, the multimodal, multi-phased problems, the data sets, models, maps, a variety of softwares, manuscripts, painting, sculpture, music, dance, dramas, through audios, videos. So from grade 1 to 12th students, then college students are also included in audio and video contents are also available in NDL portal. The next one is NDL contributors. So these are all the NDL contributors. The state level and the central universities, R&D labs, government departments, then free portals, free publishers. So they are all the NDL contributors. The next one is National Digital Initiative in Education. So the National Digital Library of India, it is mingled with NAD, Credit Transfer and Virtual Certification courses. Then it is mingled with Swayam, Swayamprabha and Jayan. So what is mean by MOOC? MOOC, NAD, Swayam. These are all the online platforms for educations, online courses for education for peoples. So MOOC is a massive open online course. NAD means National Academic Depository. Swayam means study the web of active learning for young aspiring minds. Then Jayan means Global Initiative Academic Network. So these are all the online platforms for all students, academicians, researchers for research areas, for searching each and every journals or e-books through the NDL portals. The next slide we are going to see how NDL works. There are two methods to access the NDL portal. First method is from the mobile phones. We are downloading the NDL portal through the Play Store. The second method to using the web browser, using the Google search engine, you can type the URL http://www.ndl. So you can use the two methods to access the NDL portal. Next we are going to see the National Digital Library of India portal from the Google search engine. So you type NDL in Google search engine, then click National Digital Library of India. So the NDL portal is opened. This is the screen of the NDL portal. The left side you see the browse, search menus. The right side copyright guides, NDLI clubs, language, then login menu. Suppose you are already registered means you go to the login menu, then you enter your mail ID and password and then login. First, you see the browse menu. There are 4 subtopics under the browse menu: by type, by subject, by source, learning resource. The first one, by type. By type, you click the by type menu. The screen will appear. You search through the text, image, video, audio, presentation, then application, animation. So you search any of these types. Either you are searching the text or images or videos or audios. Any type you can type the selection methods. Then you click the browse by subject wise. Suppose you are searching through the subject wise level selection means you click the subject menu. Click on the first level subject, second level subject, third level subject. Then You click the browse menu by source selection, source list to browse the contents from that source. Either you search through the author name or ISSN number or IEEE papers, or either you can search any of the source. The next fourth one is learning resource. So you click the learning resource type selection, the content of the particular type, that is the article of the learning. You can search the book of the learning or question paper or thesis papers or video lectures. You can search any of these ones through the resource type selection. So finally again we go to the back to the home page of the NDL digital library. Now I type the word in search area. Suppose if you are searching Java programming, so I type the word Java programming. I want to search the Java programming papers from the search menu. I click the search button. So you see the screen, Java programming related papers. So Java programming, the author name, the source name, who is the author, who is the source name, then Java OOPS. So under the Java content there are 77,919 results found in 0.6 seconds. So there are 77,919 results under the Java topic. So you can search in any other areas. Suppose you are a mechanical or engineering sites, or you are a maths department, physics department, biotechnology, any areas, you can search any papers through the title name. The leftmost side you see the search results. There are 10 categories. The first one, access restriction. You click the access restriction. There are 5 subdivisions are there: subscribed, open, limited, authorized and NDLI. The first one is subscribed. There are institutions particular subscribed papers only published in the type of NDL portal. So only the subscribed papers contained from the title of the Java. Then second option is open. Open means it is open access journal for all users. Next one is limited. So particularly limited of the topics of the particular papers, particular text, that only viewed in the Java programming. Next one is authorized. Authorized means the authorized persons only entered in that area. There are 352 papers, only authorized papers only published in that NDL portal. The finally NDLI, National Digital Library of India. It contains the e-books, world e-books, the next one South Asia e-books, etc. So these are the access restriction areas. You select, suppose I select open access journals. So I click the open access journals. There are 29,551 papers are presented in NDL portal. So related to Java programming. Suppose I click the subscribed. Subscribed means subscribed, the institution subscribed in particular IEEE Explorer in digital library or software tools for technology transfer, in Springer link, IEEE paper, Springer ebooks, then IEEE. So these are the papers that are all subscribed, only subscribed papers that are published in that area. So either you are choosing these types of access restrictions. The next one, the second category is author. Suppose if you are well known about the author name, There are so many options of the author names. Suppose I want to choose the Zedong author of the particular area, means the author name Zedong. 68 papers, 68 results I got, 68 result papers under the author name Zedong. So you choose the author names. The third category is subject category. Whether you are a computer science student, you click computer science area. Suppose you are a social science, means you click the social science. So first you choose the subject category wise, then you choose the title name in search area. So in computer science, 54,266 results are there. In philosophy, 55, religion 12, social sciences. So there are the results. The next one, the next category is educational degree. For example, if you are a student in UG degree or PG degree or Doctor of Philosophy or MPhil students, you choose that category of the educational degree. Suppose I choose the Doctor of Philosophy, means, so what are all the papers? 245 results. In Doctor of Philosophy, these are all the papers: comparative studies, C, C++, Java, implementation of the secure shell. So there is an icon. The final end is the icon is present. Either it is a text document, it is an audio file, or whether it is a video file. You can also search through the icons. So if you are the degree of Master Technology, means you choose the Master of Technology, or Computer Science or Master of Science, means you choose that. So the next category is difficulty level. For example, suppose the papers are difficult to view. The papers, suppose you can download the papers in PDF format or audio files or video files. You are difficult to view the papers. That means you are selecting the medium wise. So the normal papers. Suppose you are a researcher, means you choose the difficult level for the integration of the Java OPC technology. So you choose the difficult level. The next category is educational level. This is the main thing category, because you are a UG student, or you are searching the PG category wise, or you are the level of from 1 to 4 for school students, for college students, for technical studies, research areas. So for all educational work, you choose the educational level. From 1 to 4 means you choose the 4th standard, from 1st standard to 4th standard. So I type the topic in search area. I type one poem, then I click search. So you see the poems. So introduction poem, dedicatory poem from the class 1 to 4. So little kitten poems, Vedantu. Vedantu download all the papers through the NDL report. That means from 1 to 4th class, 634 results found in the 3 seconds. The next one, so I choose the 9th and 10th standard. So teacher tubes, publish the papers. Then 11th and 12th, I select 11th and 12th. For example, I search 11th and 12th for question papers. So model question papers for 9th and 10th students. So general English, mathematics, you can choose your subject also. Suppose you select 10th students for mathematics, means the mathematics question papers with solvable answers are also uploaded. Okay, 1487 results in 9th and 10th students. The next one, 11th and 12th. So from 11th and 12th students, you will also see the CBSE board or state board question papers. So you categorize each and everything in educational levels up to class 1 to UG and PG degree. The next category level is file format. So this is very important for downloading concept. So file format is, first one is PDF. Suppose if you are searching the papers, I search the paper C programming. In Bharathiyar University, the variety of programming books are there. Suppose I want to download the papers from PDF format. The first one is PDF format. PDF format 597 results. So PDF files for C programming or published papers are all presented in NDL portal. Then next one is HTML. Next one is TSV, or either you can download the papers through MP4 audios, only audios, then MOV or zip files or MOBI or PS. So any types of file formats, you choose the file format type, then you can download the papers from your area. The next one, languages. So I already told the languages, more than 11 languages are there. So you choose the language for that particular paper. The next one is learning resource type. So whether you are going through the learning papers through e-papers or e-books or journals, whether it is audio book or photography books or scripting language. So any types of resource types, you can choose that learning resource type. The next category is source. Source means who are the sources. For example, I already told the concept of the contributors. So source means the Bangalore University from Bharathiyar University. So the universities or institutions are also uploaded the papers and journals in the NDL port. So you can search from the ACM Digital Library, annual reviews, or Bangalore University or Board of Education sites. So you can search from the source. So these are all the search results. Whether you are choosing the levels, educational levels, and choose the proper type name in search area. The next one, the right side, you see the content type. So whether, for example, you go to the right side, right menu, content type, audio, text, video. So you can choose, you see the icons present in each and every journal area. You see the icons. The icon is presented in audio icons or either text icons or video icons. You can easily search and you can easily download from the paper. Then finally, advanced search. So in advanced search area, you can directly go to the title. Suppose if you know the title of the paper, or if you know the subject contents of the papers, or if you know the author name, means you type directly go to the author name. So you type the author name and press the enter search key, and then you add the buttons. You select source area. So source area means from American Society or annual reviews or digital library, anything. Then you select the educational level, directly you select the educational level and then directly select the languages. Then you click the learning resource types. For example, if you are going to learn the book review or booklet or newspapers or from audio books, you can choose any types of the resource type. Then you can enter the search button. So this is a directly advanced search method. So whether the right button, the languages, you see the languages, there are 11 languages from English, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi, there are so many languages are there. So this is the main area to access the papers, journals, e-books and world e-books from digital library. So you can choose, first you choose whether you are searching the books or papers or journals or research contents in the type of text formats or audios or videos, anything. First you choose the topic and then filters the category wise, that is the access restrictions or you are already login members, educational degree, then choose the educational level, then you choose the file format for downloading all the concepts, then learning resource type, then source. Now coming to the end of the session, all should know well about the NDL portal usage. So we are creating the digital learning ecosystem. Thank you.